Hello guys, today we'll be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty. So looking at the market as a whole today, Nifty IT, Auto, FMCG, Pharma and Metal. These five sectors did very well. Reality was 0.61 up to, but 0.61 in reality is not much of a gain as compared to 0.56 in FMCG because FMCG is a more low beta sector. So a 0.56 in FMCG is considered a good gain. So even though there were good gains in almost 4 to 5 sectors, Nifty ended up almost slightly above on about 0.5% higher. So let's look at Nifty. So yesterday these zones have been drawn for the last Tuesday or Monday or Tuesday. They have been the same. I haven't moved them at all whatsoever. So let's see the market structure first. So first Nifty was coming down, forming lower highs and lower lows, and then it tried to make a higher high, but then it got stuck in consolidation here. So this phase right here was the consolidation phase here, and it couldn't break these highs which were formed earlier. Today there was a good gap of opening of about 100 points in Nifty. So this high was broken. So here we could say that Nifty has come out of its consolidation zone, which it had been forming for the past 3 to 4 sessions, and now we could be bullish on Nifty for the short term, for the coming future. But as soon as it opens gap up, it was a huge gap up, right? 100 point gap up is a good gap, is a big gap. So a market cannot move up in a straight line. It has to come down. So market has been moving up from here itself. So market cannot keep moving up even after coming here continuously. It has to cool down. It has to show some signs of correction. So, and on top of that, Nifty today being the expiry day, the chances of a trending market were relatively low compared to normal days. So if you waited, and this is the 15-minute chart, if you look at the price action here, it had formed a lower low and a lower high and a lower low again. So as soon as this low here was broken, you could have gone short here, and you could have got a decent move up till the exact zone 15,100. So these round numbers 15,100, 15,300, 36,000 Bank Nifty, these are very crucial, and once they act as very good supports or resistances. So this candle made a low of exactly 15,100.85. So 15,100 is a strong support for now. So there was mainly sideness. Bank Nifty was mostly sideways, and that is what held Nifty down today. So for tomorrow, we could say that Nifty could the chances of Nifty going lower and breaking this zone are relatively lower. So we could say if Nifty opens somewhere either flat or slightly gap up, if Nifty opens in this area, once it breaks the high of 15,220 or 15,220, Nifty could show good momentum tomorrow upwards, at least 100 points, 15,300 to 350. If Nifty opens gap down, we could see it come down here and consolidate a little bit and become volatile again on the support of 15,100. I don't see Nifty breaking 15,100 for tomorrow or Friday. Tomorrow is a holiday, so at least for Friday, I don't see Nifty breaking 15,100. It's a sideways or bullish bias on Nifty depending on the opening and then price action in the opening hour. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I had already told you guys that 36,000 is very crucial. I had drawn a red line. This red line has been on since the very beginning of this week, because I'll tell you the reasons for it. First, I drew my Fibonacci levels from this swing low to this swing high, and 36,000 was my 0.7886 retracement, exactly 36,000. Then I showed you guys the open interest charts and saw that there were a huge number of calls returned and also short straddles at 36,000. So this itself had, we could conclude that 36,000 would act as a strong resistance and Bank Nifty would most probably not expire above it. Another reason could be you could have drawn this trend line here. So this would be acting as another resistance for Bank Nifty. So these three reasons were mainly why I was bearish to sideways on Bank Nifty for today. And that's exactly what happened. It was a sideways market. So Bank Nifty opened gap up. As soon as it opened gap up, it started crashing, and there were no signs of, there were no bullish signs. So again, you see the price action, lower lows and lower highs itself. So when this low was broken, I was confident that Bank Nifty was going to expire below 36,000 for today. So here it remained sideways. So this was a good point to sell 36,000 call option. And at this point, premiums were trading around 150, so you could have made a good profit there as well. Now Bank Nifty has again the same market structure, forming higher highs and higher lows as well in Bank Nifty. Opened about 36,000, couldn't hold there, and now it is consolidating around our 36,000 zone, which is a very good sign. Whenever there is a resistance in the market, if there is a resistance, price cannot go directly and break through. Price either goes there, bounces back, goes there, performs price action and then breaks, or the second option is comes here, consolidates for a couple of days and then breaks. So this is looking like a consolidation around the 36,000 zone. So if it breaks this high, it formed a high of 36,041. So around, let's say, 36,050, Bank Nifty could go up, could show good momentum up till 36,400 then. So this is the view depending on the opening of Bank Nifty. If it opens flat or gap up, if it opens flat, you could wait for it to break 36,000 and go long. If it opens gap up, you could wait for it to retest 36,000 and then bounce up. So these are the possibilities I see in the market for tomorrow. And let's look at some stocks. So for stocks, first if we see Nifty IT. Nifty IT has broken out today. So it was forming a triangle pattern, you would say, and today it has broken up and given a strong closing. And it has also closed around 26,000, which is again an important figure. It has closed above it. So it is a very strong closing, and tomorrow we could expect it to go higher up further. It could probably retrace just a little bit and then go up further. So the stocks you could trade on this first can be HCL. HCL, here I have drawn a FIBO from the swing low to swing high, and it was facing resistance here at the in 618 level, which is a very important level. Yesterday it closed above, and today another very good strong candle. So we could see it reaching 0.786 levels, possibly tomorrow. So if you see here again, price action, higher high, and then this did not break the previous low. It landed here and broke the higher high again. So this is a very good bullish structure for HCL. And if it breaks these highs of, we could draw a resistance level here. So most probably if it opens gap up and consolidates around here and breaks these highs, we could see momentum of at least 10 to 12 points till the next FIBO level, which is 1009. And another stock in IT is Happiest Minds. Happiest Minds I had given yesterday itself. Today it gave good profits intraday, broke the trend line. These are the figures from yesterday. Broke the trend line and now it has come down. It might show good momentum again along with Nifty as it's in a good zone and it's looking like it's taking support at 540. So next stock would be Castrol. Castrol formed a triangle pattern, broke out here, showing good momentum, huge momentum here, and now it's consolidating. So on the lower influence, we can see that it is taking support around 135 levels, but the selling is getting stronger and stronger. As you can see in the volumes here, and all the volumes, big candles are red candles. I'm sorry, not candles, but all the big volumes are selling volumes. You can't see any good buying volumes there. So even the price action suggests that it is getting weaker, and if it breaks 133.5, we could see a fall here on this counter till of 2 to 3 points. And then another stock is Biocon. Biocon has been taking support here at 385 levels, and now with Nifty Pharma it has gone up. So here the 15-minute chart. Biocon looks like a good buy if it breaks the high of 404. If it could go up till this trend line of 1 point trend line and give about 4 to 5 points. This trend line I had drawn from the previous resistances. So that's it for today. Thank you.